Imagine a dessert that combines the elegance of fine tea with the decadence of a pie. Earl Grey tea pie offers a flavor experience like no other. Its unique blend of citrusy bergamot and creamy textures captivates your taste buds from the first bite. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or simply curious about innovative desserts, this pie is a must-try. Let's explore what makes Earl Grey tea pie so irresistible and why you should consider baking or enjoying it today. Have you ever wanted to elevate your dessert game? Traditional pies are delicious, but sometimes we crave something extraordinary. Earl Grey tea pie solves this challenge with its remarkable balance of sweetness, sophistication, and bold flavor. It's a dessert that doesn't just taste amazing but also sparks conversations, making it perfect for gatherings or indulgent moments at home. What makes Earl Grey tea pie so special? First, it's the tea itself, a timeless classic infused with fragrant bergamot oil. This flavor profile, when transformed into a pie filling, creates a creamy yet refreshing dessert that stands out from the crowd. Paired with a buttery crust and a hint of vanilla or honey, it's the ultimate treat for anyone seeking something unique. Plus, it's surprisingly simple to make with the right recipe. One of the most captivating moments with Earl Grey tea pie comes when you take your first bite. The smooth, velvety filling melts in your mouth while the bergamot citrusy note stands across your palate. It's a dessert experience that feels indulgent yet refined, leaving you craving another slice. Whether served at room temperature or chilled, this pie brings sophistication to your dessert table. If you're looking for a dessert that wows your family and friends, Earl Grey tea pie is the way to go. Its uniqueness, flavor, and versatility make it an excellent choice for tea lovers and adventurous foodies alike. Once you try it, you will understand why this dessert is quickly becoming a favorite. So, are you ready to bake or savor a slice of Earl Grey tea pie? Don't wait to experience this culinary delight. Try it today and discover why so many people are falling in love with its charm.